And the sunset is on its way down, and I'm exploring yet another beach here in Porto, Portugal. This is Praia Azul. Small beach, but very nice. And it's right next to the big one called Atero that we visited earlier. And here there are no waves at all compared to all the previous beaches I went to. And the bottom here is mix of stones and sands, and it's a very nice scenic view on both sides with the big rocks, and it's overlooking also one church there. The water seems a bit unclean to me, but we're gonna make it with a swim. Yes, Beach Adventures with Chris. We are in Porto and it's almost the end of the day, but I think I'm gonna be able to manage one extra episode when the sun is down and we're gonna have beautiful skylight. So right now it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, it says, but it feels a bit chillier. And in the sea it's 13.7 degrees Celsius. So let's not wait any longer and dive in. Oof. That's nice. It's cool. Quite refreshing. Let's go in once again. Brilliant. Look at that sunset. And swim deep on the sunset. Magic. Look at that. It has been quite an amazing day to explore. Since I arrived here in Porto Airport at 9 a.m. and then I went directly to the beach and explored 14 beaches so far, and I think I have in me for one more. But it has been a blast. I am so happy that I was able to come here in Porto in February. Yes, today is 2nd of February 2024, and I'm doing beach adventures. The sea temperature is 13.7 right now, but it's quite good. Let's dive in once again! Nice. Brilliant. Why not once more? And yes, we can then wrap up for this episode, as I'm gonna be enjoying the beautiful sunset here in Porto. So thank you so much for following my beach adventures, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.